What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. This is the PBA Finals Preview. But before that, please join our Facebook group, Six Man Podcast, Dash Bench Mob.
We
Great
aren't
basketball.
toxic, we swear. Maybe Graham. But we aren't
What?
toxic.
Baby Graham.
We aren't, ano?
We
Toxic.
aren't
We aren't
toxic.
what?
We aren't toxic.
No, I'm not. Nandun na ba si one last time, Mitch Asuncion?
Ay. One last time. For the culture.
Bro, ang dami nakipag-away sa
Ay.
kanila.
Kailan? Saan
Yeah,
yan?
bro.
Sa comment section.
So, yun, sa
Hinahabol nila?
comment section.
Hinahanap ng mga tao? Gag.
Kasi
Hinahanap nila, puti.
Nananap nila. Ang dami
Kala ko
nagcha-comment.
naman walang maghahanap, promise. Feel ko walang maghahanap kasi it's too deep na into the pod, diba? So, no one's gonna look for that guy. Hinahanap pala.
Nah, dude. And they found that. Anyway, what are we doing? What's this?
Kakasabi na PBA Finals Preview.
Y'all, we've been talking for almost 2 days. This is 2 days in a row. Okay, give me a break, man. I see Nico and Graham more than I see my girlfriend.
That's a problem. That is a problem.
That's
you
a
know,
you problem, not us.
I don't think that's a me. First of
us.
all, you live with your people, okay?
You live with your
Alright.
people.
Give me a break. Anyway, go ahead. Yeah, finals preview. Well. Guess what we have here?
I
It's
think dapat
it's
default na
round.
yung TNT sa finals di ba? Parang, harap lang, hintayin nyo lang yung kalaban nyo.
Ano
Parang
round to?
gano'n. Parang, ano lang tawag, step ladder. Parang gano'n.
Yeah.
For TNT.
Step ladder
Ano
yung
round?
TN. Oo nga, next step
Ano
ladder.
round na to ng ano natin? Ng labanan na ng TNT versus Ginebra. You should know, man. You have the data with you. Graham,
Sorry, what was the question?
pang ilang round na to ng Ginebra and
TNT in the finals.
Yeah.
Yung current era, hindi yung all-time.
Current.
Fourth.
The round number
If you
4.
include the bubble, do you include the bubble as a part of the current era? Fifth.
You can include it, don't include it. I don't really care. Yeah, man, it's
No, the only reason I wanted to include that is yun lang panalo natin against TNT. So,
oo nga pala. Yan yung yan yung nanalo tayo by 4 nung dulo, di ba? Don't ask me why that matters to me.
I know. Everyone knows why that matters.
Everyone knows, bro.
Nobody knows. You guys are such liars. but yeah, man, I genuinely think it's pretty funny right now how it's Ginebra versus TNT again. Kasi, admittedly, I didn't really expect TNT to be here after the Bowl injury. Right? Bowl gets hurt. Admittedly, game 3, wala silang import. They should have won. They should have lost that, but they won. Tapos, I did not expect na, what's this called? It's not Malik Diouf. If it's Malik Diouf, I believe Meralco wins that series against TNT.
Oh yeah, for sure. Malayo. Yung Diouf kay Gardner, it's far.
Gardner? Makala.
No. I'm saying na if Diouf yung final nila,
pag yun
and then ipaglalaban mo kay Makala, layo.
Yeah. You're right.
Oh, yeah, malayo.
Kaya, oh my God, bro. And it's such a tough thing for Ginebra. Kasi admittedly, if it was Meralco, I would say Ginebra had a bigger chance in this one. But nonetheless, I believe this is a good series. How do you guys want to do this? We talk about Ginebra first, talk about Meralco first. What's happening?
You mean TNT?
Yeah, TNT first. What's up? How do you guys want to do it? How do you want to do it?
Let's talk about the first team that made it to the finals. Ginebra.
By 2 hours?
By 2 hours.
Yeah, by 2 hours. Yeah, by 2 hours. They still made it. Diba? I mean,
The
when
first
we
team
make
that
our
made it to the finals
by 2 hours. By 2 hours.
Yeah,
It's a
Ginebra, brother.
it's a scheduling issue. But go ahead.
Graham, you can go ahead, man.
Scheduling
You
issue.
can do the Ginebra one.
Yeah. I have said in the conference preview that they are a top 4 team for sure. You two, you're skeptical. That's fine kasi we never know what you were getting out of Brownlee. We never thought na si RJ will be this good all conference.
This fast.
That's fine.
Bilis.
Snap of a finger talaga. Last time we saw him was game 6 against San Miguel when CJ Perez exploded in the first quarter.
Exactly.
It wasn't the RJ. I mean, if you're basing it off of that, parang, ito ba RJ na makukuha namin? Pero ibang-iba si RJ ngayon. Also, Scotty was injured to start the conference. So, the doubts for Hinebra were valid. Excuse me, it was just malaking bagay yung mga dinagdag nila eh. Yung bumalik si Isaac Go, tapos dinagdag nila sa Carino, tapos ang laki nga ng ginaling ni RJ, and Justin Brownlee is the same Justin Brownlee. Scotty Thompson slowly but surely made his way back, and now he's comfortable being the two guard to RJ, which is his really comfortable position. So they're a top 4 team at the start of the conference. For me, they are. I can make the argument they have been the best team all conference long. They were the 2 seed at the end of the elims. Their losses were against San Miguel by 3, NLEX by 3, and that crazy game against Meralco on Labor Day. So, 'di ba, parang parang if you look at the way they played all conference long, sila talaga yung pinakamalakas. Sila talaga yung pinakamagaling. They can kill you in 1,000 ways. Although TNT can do that too.
Yeah, they can
Pero
also do that.
yeah, but they are
1,001.
I'll say yeah, 1,001 actually 999 because they don't have RJ. But
Minus
they
Bol Bol,
faced
998.
yep, exactly. But they faced a tougher competition in the semis. Rain or shine. Plus walang really? You're doubting that?
Which one did you say? Who had tougher competition? I may have
Ginebra.
misunderstood.
Ginebra in the semis.
Yeah. Okay. Hinebra had tougher
Okay.
competition.
In the semis.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, kasi yung yung TNT was NLEX, who never, nobody believed in NLEX, and
Hey.
Meralco. I know nobody believes in NLEX.
I didn't believe it. I didn't.
They're
I
not.
chose
They're
the.
not friends.
Right, Nico?
Yeah.
I didn't believe in it.
No, I didn't.
I had TNT
Not anymore.
in 2.
Yeah.
Not anymore. Pero 'di ba, Hinebra was better. The only time they faced each other, you cannot use that as a gauge because nobody wanted to win that game. So,
Yeah.
parang, tinalo ng Hinebra yung Elims. All right, did TNT want to win? No. Did Nev also want to win? No. It's just that one team had to win. So, we're not playing football, so there's no tie here. Pero, if you're looking at the whole conference, Hinebra yung better team compared to TNT. I'd say not by a lot. It's close kasi for a stretch TNT did not know its identity kasi si Bol Bol playing by himself, 'di ba? And then he learned how to trust his teammates, and then na-injure siya tapos pumasok si Chris Macala. So I do believe na Ginebra is the better team right now. Ginebra should be the favorites to win the championship, which is weird kasi hindi nila tinatalo yung TNT with Brownlee, but this is a different TNT team din naman dahil iba yung import nila ngayon. So that's my Ginebra side of it.
Brother addition, I just wanna add this one. It's very obvious at this point that Coach Tim has kind of strayed away from the triangle by a lot.
Yeah, yes.
It's a completely
Iba
he
nga
runs
eh.
a completely different offense now. Not man completely different. Obviously may ano pa rin yan. May semblances of the triangle pa rin. So that still happens for Ginebra. But when you actually see it or when you actually watch it, it's not always just that Ginebra offense. Oh, let's throw it down into the post into Japet or what is called Japet or Isaac. Diba usually a new starting point ng triangle is you throw it into the post.
Sa
Yeah.
post.
Yeah, iba na ngayon. It's let's allow RJ a pick and roll with JB. Let's allow Stephen Holt or Troy Rosario to touch the ball more in positions where they can create. So may different opportunities na ngayon. And I think that might spell the difference this time. Ang worry ko lang with Ginebra is, ito, admitted fact na natin to, TNT is the best team in the league at creating matchup hunting, 'di ba? They find yung what is called what do you call them? The mismatches.
Mismatches?
There we go, mismatches.
Yeah.
That's the word I was looking for. They look for the mismatches every single time when they play, right? And my worry is for Ginebra in this one. May mga mismatch talaga na medyo mahirap to get through. RJ against Pogoy, against Heading,
Yeah.
against Castro, all of those are
Even Dambata ka eh.
I'm not sorry. he's
Not
had a
not
pretty
this
bad
conference.
conference, man. He's had a pretty bad conference. So I'm not that on it. But then of all times for heading to feel good about himself, it's heading
Dito pa sa
into a Ginebra.
finals.
Like, brother, if he was feeling bad about himself, I would say na RJ can probably defend him much better. Pero now na he is feeling himself because of how well he played against Meralco, it is pretty much a different story. So yan yung worry ko for Hinebra. They have their strong suits naman talaga. They will always have their strong suits, you know what I mean? What is called Justin Brownlee is best import of the conference. Most probably, or actually that should be
Guaranteed.
right? Yeah.
Guaranteed na
Justin
yan.
Brownlee is the best import of the conference already.
RJ is
Because
the
RJ is
BPC.
the BPC, and like what Graham mentioned kanina, medyo ano na rin si Scotty. Like, he's kind of an old Scotty version na may kasamang leadership na alam na niyang kung anong kailangan niyang gawin, di ba? Yan yung overall view natin kay Scotty right now. So, kaya siya a bit different this time, and it helps na you have yung bigger bodies, right? Isaac Go, who's healthier as compared to before. He's healthy, right? Kemark Carino has seen spot minutes, right? Ralph Koo is taking another stride. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So it's a lot of
Maya is
these.
starting to
Maya is starting to feel good.
to
Troy is
yeah.
feeling good as well. So that could be the difference. Pero yun nga, yung worry ko talaga is yung mismatches that TNT creates is the biggest problem kasi they can find it a lot. I would say you can find some mismatch talaga when you face off against Ginebra.
And yung TNT, doesn't matter kung pigilan mo yung matchup hunting nila. They'll do it. The only team na hindi nila yung nagagawa is against San Miguel. Kaya hindi nila matali San Miguel eh. Because if alisin mo si Wami Chongson, you have no more mismatches. Diba?
Yeah.
You can't just post up Jericho. You can post up Chris Ross. You can post up the other guy, CJ. So, sa Hinebra, si RJ yun. Si RJ yung missing link na yun. And hindi ka rin naman pwede mag-zona against TNT because they're gonna kill you every single time with the 3-point barrage. At any time papasok yan. So, this is... Okay, so the first 3-4 conferences ni RJ nag-eliminate sa kanya either San Miguel or TNT. Nandun din yung pinakamalaki niyang problema. We saw him bounce back against Rain or Shine, had an 8-point game in game 4, bounce back with couple of 30-point games in games 5 and 6. The problem is, ngayon niya lang nakita yung Rain or Shine. Ngayon lang din siya nakita ng Ross. Etong TNT man, kabisado na siya nito. And there were points in, especially nung huling talo nila against RHJ in game 7, na binangko na si RJ in the overtime period and in the fourth quarter because he was not contributing. This is his biggest test. This is the test na kailangan niya ipasaman para pwede not sabihin next conference, RJ's top 5 for sure. No
Yeah.
doubt. Because right now, he's top 5. But we have to see him do that in the big game against the big teams, San Miguel and TNT. And right now, TNT is the one available for him. So, do I believe in him? Yes. And I believe in the team kasi they look better compared to TNT. In the semis, they look better compared to TNT.
Do they?
Yeah, for me, they
I would say they
look
do look
better.
better than TNT, but that's
But not
because
by a mile. It's parang
not
Saps
by a
lang.
lot.
Not
Not
by
okay,
by a
not
lot.
by a lot.
It's a
Not by a
close.
lot.
This is a
Okay.
close series. Yeah.
Yeah, not by a lot.
6-7 to.
Ooh, 6-7.
Oh, yan na.
Oh, we go TNT. What about TNT, Mario?
It's for TNT, brother. Death by 1,000 cuts. Diba? I think na-mention na yan kanina. They
Or
can beat
even in
you.
past conferences, it's the same thing we've been saying. Yung hindi
The
mo
one thing I
alam
will
saan
say,
manggagaling yung damage.
yeah, the one thing I will say is, this is not Meralco. Sa Meralco, walang kayang bumantay kay McCullough that well. Hodge will do his best, obviously. But then their import cannot. Si Gardner. Gardner cannot defend McCullough. Not even closely.
Anyone?
Well, that too. He also can't defend anyone. But yun nga. So this is a bit different now kasi JB I think can defend McCullough, right? To a certain extent, kaya ni JB. I also believe na what's this called? I believe Troy Rosario can somewhat limit si what's it, Chris McCullough, si Mac. But again, it will kind of always boil down to the locals of TNT. They're good. The locals of TNT are some of the best. Actually, no, not some of the best.
They are one of the
They are
best.
the best of their position at certain positions, diba? Calvin Oftana, I think we can say quite easily he's the best three in the league
Three.
na local,
Mhm.
right? I think we can also say na our Pogoy is what
Top
number
3, 2.
top four, I would say. Top four si RR. Jordan Heading is a top 3 to 4 point guard as well in the league. So it's not walang patapon in any position. Then their centers are also very good. Kelly Williams at the ripe age of I don't know how old Kelly even is anymore.
42.
Kelly
70, 50, I
Kelly
don't know.
Kelly Williams age.
May,
Yeah, yeah, but Kelly is so
44. Oh my god, he's 44.
4.
44, 34.
44?
44. What do you mean
44.
34?
34.
I thought it's a 34, sorry. Yeah, so yan yung medyo difference is they have every position na may top 5 players sila. I don't think there's any position that they don't have a top 5 player. Kaya yan yung mismatch. My God, dude, my words. Dami ko
I've
laway.
been slurring also.
Yeah, sorry.
Something with the weather.
Yeah. It's a lot different for Hinebra now. Kasi I mean it's not it's the same story for Hinebra now. That they have to face off against every one of the best of every position talaga. Can they do it? For sure? They're Hinebra. We're not gonna pretend like they don't have a chance to beat a team like this. But it kind of boils down to JB and Makala. Patas yun, I think. I will say patas yung JB versus Makala. In terms of, JB is a bit older, but Makala is also injured. So they
More hurt.
they kind of end up balancing each other out. So asan yung locals mo? Locals na lang labanan mo dun eh. Right? It becomes, can RJ outplay or Jordan?
Jordan.
Can Scotty outplay Calvin? Can Ralph Koo and uh,
Wait.
Ralph Koo and Ralph Koo
Sorry.
and Holt or something like that outplay and anybody, you know what I mean? It'll really depend on if they can who they can outplay yung locals talaga. That's why completely different story. I mean completely different way for Hinebra now kasi locals mo patas na yun. Walang RHJ. This time walang RHJ. RHJ is the one who activates all the locals, 'di ba, for TNT.
And
But
elevates
McCullough,
them. Yeah, ibang klase
yeah,
mag-elevate ng play si RJ, bro.
exactly. Pero McCullough is a close second. Maybe
Pwede.
even he's a very close second to how well what's this called? How well this team plays. So it depends. It will really depend na lang.
I just want to add, no, this is the best
Yeah,
chance
go
for
ahead.
Ginebra to get a championship against TNT. No, RHJ, Chris McCullough, pinasok lang 2 games ago. The chemistry
ago.
isn't there. A week ago. About a week ago.
We could go.
Yeah, about a week ago. Poyeram
And
is hurt.
Boy Aram is hurt. So
Castor is not
no
100%.
excuses. No excuses for Ginebra to not win this series.
Yeah, you're
right?
actually,
With
yeah.
no
That's why I think
sharing
they're
those things.
Yeah, that's why I think Ginebra is the favorite heading into the series. My thing about TNT is I trust their locals. I trust their depth more than Ginebra.
Okay, that makes sense naman.
Kasi
Yeah, that makes sense.
yung lineup nila talaga, they're I'd say 9-10 deep, parang ganon. The only people na masasabi mong hindi talaga halos nagagamit sila Nieto. Actually si Kitevis nga nagagamit lately,
Nagamit
di ba?
si Sean.
And that's gonna be his role to
It's gonna
para
be a
ilisin
test,
si
bro.
RJ.
Iisin niya si RJ.
Bro, he's
Oh,
He's
He's
faced
gonna
off
be-
against RJ before, right?
rookie
Yeah,
year
he's gonna
niya
be
ata.
Joshua
Rookie year
David.
niya ata.
Oo.
Rookie year niya ata.
He's gonna be Joshua David, what Joshua David was to Rain or Shine. Yun yung gagawin ni Kitevis for
But RJ
for
will know how
TNT.
to
Of
how
course.
to play
Of
around
course.
that na. Pero I'm sure
Exactly.
mabibigla at least sa game 1. Mabibigla siya na onte and then
I don't think so.
adjust it.
Yeah, bibigyan niya si RJ. That's why it has to be upon RJ para labanan yung mga yun. But my point about TNT is I trust their depth more na. For example, struggling si struggling si Hedin, you can pull Castro. You can pull ng Batak. Pag
Yeah.
struggling si RJ, who are you gonna pull? Nards Pinto and pray to God na Nards Pinto will hit 2, 3 3-pointers? No, so that dun pa lang lamang na yung TNT sa depth. The and I'm gonna get to my pick in a second. So that's number one. Excuse me. Number two, TNT is TNT has, I would say, kasi pareho lang naman sila. Dapat nga mas lamang pa sa rest yung Ginebra kasi one game lang sila in the quarters. I think
Yeah.
mas may pahinga yung TNT.
Saka 2
Feeling ko
hours,
lang ha.
2 hours.
2 hours, 2 hours yung pahinga ng Hinebra kumpara sa kanila. Di ba? Di ba? Di ba?
Yeah, but I think yung TNT, parang hindi sila mas nabugbog. Kasi yung Ginebra parang nabugbog talaga in the semis eh. Eh,
Yeah,
do you
yeah.
get my point? Na parang
Yeah,
yung
I get
TNT, yeah, I get na, sige, kinalaban mo yung Meralco. It was also 6 games, di ba? Na si Cliff Hodge, who's a known bruiser. Pero, hindi ka ganun kabugbog kagaya nung Hinebra versus Ross. So, that's my only thing na siguro mas well-rested sila. Pero, mas malala yung injury sa key players nila. Like, Castro is not 100%. Although, Scotty Thompson has a hamstring injury. But PTs are saying it's manageable. You'll never know what to believe. But Castro is not 100%. We talked about Boy Eram being hurt. And si Chris McCullough has a history of, getting hurt in the knee, in the knee area. So, yun lang yung worry ko about TNT. If I'm a TNT fan, yung health heading into the series. Pero if I'm a TNT fan, hindi ako sobrang feeling underdog in this series. Kasi we know how to beat this team. Again, the only team na hindi nila kayang talon is San Miguel. That's proven in the last 5 conferences that they've been in the finals. So, we'll see if si RHJ ba talaga yung antidote or TNT talaga for Hinebra. Kasi if they lose in
Antidote or
these
kryptonite?
finals, Kryptonite rather, sorry. Kryptonite. So because if they lose again in these finals, Hinebra to TNT, then it's really Coach Chot against Coach Tim. Like Coach Tim
Ah, yeah.
cannot beat Coach Chot at the current as we speak. Pero locals, I'm siding with TNT. Import, I'm siding with Hinebra. Coach equal yan, man. I get it na mas masarap i-hate si Coach Chot because of his antics. Pero equal talaga yan if not lamang pa nga si Coach Chot at some point, di ba? So this is going to be really, really fun. Uh, I think the shorter the series goes, the more it goes in Ebra's way. Pero pag
Actually,
humaba to,
pag
especially
shorter,
in the
oh,
seventh game, yeah, especially in the seventh game, doon na papasok yung, paano ba naman to? Nandito na naman tayo sa game 7, wala na nga si RHJ, di ba? So,
Yeah.
yung mga ganong factor should be on the side of TNT.
Yeah.
Yan ha, malinis yan ha. Baka sabihin nyo na naman, TNT fans, ay, ito talaga ng TNT. Lahat na laban ng TNT na ano. Oh my goodness, let's stop it na.
This guy.
You like those random explosions? Kasi bigla lang mapasok sa isip ko na parang,
I think you have that kahit wala kaming dalawa. Feel ko you have that random thoughts while you're working. Bigla.
yeah,
Bigla.
alright, I'm not gonna say the name anymore, but yeah.
Thank God, brother. I thought you were gonna bring it up one more time. Tama, dude. I agree with your point sa coaching talaga. Ang other point na gusto ko you bring up is who wins these games. Yung who wins first, like who wins. Oh, where did he go? Sana po walang
Narinig.
props. Sana po walang props. Sana po walang props. I'm so
Walang
tired of
damit. Walang damit.
Sana po may damit.
damit.
Sana po may damit. But what's this called? Graham makes a very good point. Na it's very hard. How do I say this? In terms of this game now, it depends
Can
how
you not
you win.
pause when you say it's very hard? Like, can you follow it up with another word agad?
No.
No.
I'll do none
There are
of the
children
sorts,
watching, right?
I'll do none of the sorts. I think it matters who wins the games first. You know what I mean? If Hinebra can go off to a 2-0 start or even just 1-0, better yun for them, right?
Good for their
But if
psyche,
they
no?
can't, yeah, better for their psyche for sure. But if they can't, completely different story na naman. it's always ended like, you know how when people will always say na what is called ang bida nagpapatalo sa una, 'di ba? Something like that. Nagpapabugbog sa una, something
Hindi
like that,
pwede sa
Laos
right?
na yun,
finals
man.
yan.
Laos na
Hindi
kasabihan
pwede
yun.
sa finals yun.
Anong loss na
Mga
kasabihan, bro?
momento
I've
na
seen
yun.
that in the comment section so many times.
Bro, Ginebra fans lang yun pag naunahan yung Ginebra. Parang, bida, pabugbog sa una. Siyempre, ano pa mang sasabihin nyo, di
Alangan
ba?
naman sabihin. But
Di talaga
so
guys,
yeah,
di talaga kaya.
but for this time, I think medyo need mo mauna if you're Hinebra. Kailangan medyo ikaw yung may
For your psyche. Yep, you're right.
oo.
You're about
Kasi
right.
admittedly TNT has your number. And you know, man, if there's a Hinebra fan out there, I'm so tired of this by the way. If there's a Hinebra fan out there who's gonna be like, "Oh, no, TNT has their number. They already we beat them this conference." I don't care. I really don't care. Okay?
Season lang yun eh, regular
We've lost to
season.
them in the finals so
Ay.
many times. And the last time we beat them in the finals, I had COVID. Okay? Like I remember literally
Is that
having
long
COVID
ago?
that day. Like, I
Yeah.
actually had COVID during
So
that game.
5, 6 years? 5, 6 years ago?
COVID
The final.
2020 sa bubble.
Yeah,
Sa,
6 years, yeah.
Yeah, I literally
Damn, 6
have
years.
that day. You know what I mean? Like I know it because I had COVID and I wanted to celebrate so bad. I
Prince
wanted to go to my
Caperal pa
dad.
ba yun?
Bro,
Prince
gusto
Caperal
ko.
ba
Prince
yun?
Yun yung hindi rookie of the year. Most improved
Ru
player.
yan ka na
Chris
naman ha.
Caperal.
Kinukuha mo yung Rookie of the Year ni ano eh.
Most improved player, Prince Capital. In that one, like, I remember it kasi it's been so long. So you can't tell me na they don't have our number. Brother, we've lost to them in the finals
Ito
countless
ah.
times. They have our number. Admit it. We have to admit it. Everybody who's watching this, every Ginebra fan who's watching this, they have our number. And that's okay. That's okay. What can you
Bro,
do?
alam mo yung
Kaya, go ahead.
yung mentality nila. Sorry, don't mean to cut you off. Di ba sinasabi natin,
Go
the
on.
real finals yung Ginebra Ross.
Yeah,
But
that's not true.
yung TNT, yung mentality ng mga yun, it doesn't matter kung sino lumabas dun sa kabila. We're beating them both. Like, suki namin yung Ross in the semis, suki namin yung Ginebra in the finals. They don't
They
fear
don't
us.
fear. Yeah, they don't fear us at all, not in the slightest. Kaya nga,
Wala.
you can't
They want
you
us.
can't tell. Yeah. Dude, the only team TNT doesn't want is SMB. That's
SMB
the
actually.
only
Yun yung
team
kryptonite nila,
TNT did
SMB.
not want to see. Okay? So, again, for the end time, nobody can say na, oh, dude, kaya not, we've beaten them in the regular season. I don't care. We've lost so many times in the finals na you need to win at least the first game or you need to at least have a lead of 1-0, 2-1, at least something like that. Kasi kung natalo kayo sa una, if you go down 0-2, kahit sinong bida yun, kahit si Piolo Pascual man yun or kahit si Cardo Dalisay ba yun? I don't watch that
Yeah,
series.
yeah.
Sorry. Kahit sino man yun, losing this many times to TNT and then going down by that much in a series, talagang mahihirapan yung psyche mo, man. Like, that's just it. And there's no denying it. And I'm tired of people denying it.
Yeah, I agree with that kasi told you, Ginebra fans are one of the most, if not the most annoying fan bases in the country. All right, that includes
That
any
includes
sport.
us. But
That
that
includes
also
any
includes
sport.
us.
Yeah, I know. I mean, ako, kaya marami nainis sa akin, di ba? But the reality is,
Talaga.
we have not beaten this team in the finals for 3 years. Ngayon, iba lang yung import nila, but still, this is still the same team. I want to ask you this. A high-scoring game, who do you think will win? Let's say it's a 115, 113 kind of game. TNT. But TNT can also beat Ginebra in a 79-77 game.
Yeah, they can nga.
Diba? So,
Brother, naalala mo nung semi, sorry to cut you off. Naalala mo nung semi, sabi mo, Ginebra can beat Ross in Ross's way or in Ginebra's way. It's the same thing. It's the same thing
Exactly.
for this one. TNT can win both fast and slow, and the same can be said for Ginebra. Kaya nga, it's so different now. Or it's so much harder now to predict this one. Kasi, admittedly, good no, if Bol was still playing for TNT, I would say Ginebra. Kasi, to a certain extent, I believe mas magaling yung TNT right now without Bol.
yes.
Mas magaling sila right now without Bol kasi gising na yung iba eh. Pero comparing it to now na may McCullough sila, who is again 80% RHJ, it's different kasi now you have to worry about everyone. When you were against Bol, you're worrying about Bol, right? You're only worrying about Bol. Now you're worrying about Calvin, RR, Jordan, and Chris McCullough. Kaya nga iba. Kaya siya iba. They can beat you in so many ways. But for the first time in a while, I actually believe that Hinebra will win the series. Kasi
In 6 siguro dapat. Kung ano.
admittedly,
Kasi kung mag-7 to,
it
baka
has to
mag-TNT.
be
Let's reserve that. Let's reserve that. Let's
sige, go.
reserve that.
Let's
I have
reserve.
a question to ask you. All right.
Sige.
Because I also have Inebra. I mean, the pod knows.
Obviously.
Everyone who listens
Obviously.
knows.
Nico has to
We
take.
got Inebra.
Wala bang
TNT.
Nico has
Hinebra
to take
din?
it.
But, okay. So, import matchup. Do you have JB or CMAC?
JB.
Oh, I hate when we do this one, man. I hate when we do
I don't
this.
know how bad JB's injury is compared because C-Mac's healthier.
Okay, I mean, right now, going into the finals,
JB
we
ako,
don't...
JB ako.
All right,
BTC.
so we got JB.
Well, a slight
All right.
JB, yeah. Even with injury.
Okay. All right. Let's go to the starting locals. RJ versus Jordan.
RJ. RJ, you gotta give it to him for the whole heading ngayon lang.
RJ, yeah, because right now he's the BPC.
All right.
RJ.
Okay. All right. You got Scotty or RR Pugoy?
Scotty.
Scotty.
Scotty pa
Okay.
rin.
All right. Clean sweep. Now it turns. All right. Holt versus Oftana is Oftana. Right?
Tana.
Oftana, Oftanov, Ontana,
Oftana.
Oftana.
It doesn't matter, right?
Any
doesn't
version
matter.
of Calvin Oftana.
Calvin Oftana,
Bro, you
Calvin
shot attempt ni
Murphy.
Steven Holt the whole game. First quarter lang ni Calvin Oftana yun.
Yeah,
So, actually, oo nga, no? Yung 2 for 5 ni
Exactly.
Holt.
First
Exactly.
quarter lang ni Calvin. And then, last thing is BGR versus Japet.
BGR na ngayon. Medyo paangat si BGR ngayon.
BGR. Anong,
Yan, wala si Bol Bol. Eh, di ba?
BGR. It's been a while.
And Japet's been, may iniinda si Japet. He's not 100%.
All right.
For sure.
Okay. And then the bench, you got TNT?
Yeah, TNT bench.
Okay. All right. So that implies a close series. I don't know. Is Mario
It's
lagging
gonna
sa'yo
be-
ni Igor sa akin lang?
Sa akin din, yeah. He's
Okay,
lagging.
alright.
Yun, para siya nagte-teleport. Oh.
He turned off his camera. But yeah, so it really is an implication of a close series na parang you got the important players, one side's winning, pero the rest kaya siyang i-cover nung TNT. So I'm inclined to say, are you there, Mario? Because it's
Yeah,
not
I'm here.
your picks. All right. Who do you got, Mario? Who do you got winning? How many games?
Wait lang. Can Nico go first?
Yeah.
Who do I have
All right,
winning?
Nico, what you got?
It is better. Am I moving better?
Yeah, it is better. Way better. You're good.
Man.
Sorry. I was
Ako-
my laptop.
Ako, feel ko, Ginebra in 7. Kailangan aabot ng 7.
Oh
Or
no.
what?
Kailangan,
Oh, no,
Nico, sinasabi
pick
natin, di ba?
something
Sinasabi
in
na,
7.
wait, we're saying, di ba, na, I know we've been saying na if it's gonna reach game 7, it's gonna be TNT. But, I don't know, just gotta give it to Ginebra. This
Oh,
conference.
no, dude.
Kasi hindi. Bakit?
So,
People are
this
gonna
is so
hate us,
bad.
man.
This is so
Na-
bad.
na mag-aano
Because now
tayo,
everyone's gonna pick Ginebra from us. And then we're gonna get flamed.
Why? We're just
Oh,
making it.
Ginebra
We're
every
just...
podcast ngayon. I mean, yeah.
Nico,
Yeah,
you were
me,
the
Mario.
you were the chosen one.
Oh, sige, TNT and 7. TNT and 7. TNT and 7. TNT and 7.
All right, Mario bullied you to be different.
Di naman kasi I would stick with whatever if I really felt that way. Pero alanganin talaga ako eh. Pwede naman
By
TNT
heart.
and
All right,
7.
by heart. Let's say we don't care about what people
It's not
say.
like Spurs Knicks na I'm really for the Spurs. Na kahit sabihin sa ni Mario, dapat Knicks ka. Hindi, gusto ko Spurs eh.
Okay, no, Graham's right. Based on what you really want. I'll shut up.
Yeah, yung
Based
parang
on
ba
what you
wala kang
really
paki sa
want.
comment ng mga tao. Kahit
Yeah.
mura-murahin tayo dito.
Alam mo, medyo immune na tayo at this point sa mga ganun.
Yeah.
Graham hindi
Sige.
nagre-reply.
Yeah. Kaya no.
You know what? Actually, kung mag-game 7, feel ko talaga yung hamstring ni Brownlee might not prohibit him from playing, but kailangan nila i-take it easy from time to time.
So, what are
TNT in
So, what do
7.
you pick? That's
Ikaw
fine,
lang.
no?
Final na.
Alam.
Okay.
Buibusin na yung black van eh. Tumahimik na.
Gin in 6. 6 ako.
Si Graham, 5
six.
sasabihin ni Graham.
Sasabihin ni Graham in 3. Ako 6. I want to say 7, pero I think kasi if umabot siya ng 7, matatalo yung Ginebra. That's why I say Jin in 6. Kasi kung umabot ng 7, feeling ko talo sila.
Finals MVP for me,
Hey,
Jordan
haven't
Ikaw
given
Hill.
ang
my
nag-pick
pick, man.
yung isa dyan.
You have
Yeah, go
to,
lang.
Nico, you have to start paying me for these props.
Uy! Ano to?
This is game 1, right? This is before game 1.
No way! You
Screenshot it.
jinxed it, man.
Screenshot it.
Oh, guys, in the comments, screenshot.
There's a reason it went
Oh
out
my
kanina.
God. Boss
It's
Al,
the
Coach
light is
Al,
not doing
alam
its
mo na,
service.
kung manalo kayo, invite mo to.
Nebra.
Okay,
2026.
Graham, how much was the cake?
That's not for you to find out, man.
How much was the cake? Grabe
Boss
naman
to.
yung
Chocorol
production
ba yan?
funds natin
Chocorol ba
dyan.
yan sa Goldilocks? Chocorol ba yan?
Hey, don't you expose my business like but yeah, I got Hinebra in 6.
Why
I
6?
feel like this is the time.
Walang
I
RG.
think they want to end on they want to end on a Sunday. I know it's stupid na parang okay, there's no basketball reason behind that, but I just think that it falls on a Sunday and they're tired of losing to TNT. This is a different RJ. I'm inclined to believe na this is a different RJ, and I really hope na tapos na yung skid niya na ganun. He's better than the past 4 conferences combined. So I believe in him. I believe in Brownie, you know. Suti, you know that. So and I'm still not 100% on TNT na okay na sila with CMAC. Kasi CMAC struggled kahapon, kagabi, against Meralco. They almost lost the
May
game.
chemistry issues yun for
So,
sure.
yeah.
Going to the finals straight.
Yeah. But yeah, if this reaches a 7th game, that would have been 3 weeks with Chris McCullough. That's probably enough to learn everything about TNT. That's why I'm picking it Hinebra in 6. Kasi normally I'd say Hinebra in 7 kasi I'm confident.
Normally,
Unless it's
say
SMB.
never.
No, I say Hinebra in 7 against SMB. Pero this time, I think the shorter it goes, the better it is for Hinebra. So,
Yeah.
Hinebra in 6.
Okay.
Wow, I can't. I'm still on the cake, bro.
Once again, if you need to see it,
So, saan galing?
kulang kasi yung space eh. Kulang yung
Goldilocks?
space eh. So, yeah. Yeah,
So,
it's
wait.
from Goldilocks.
No, I'm
Sabi
curious.
na eh.
Did you actually need to buy a cake for something today, or
Yeah.
you
For
don't
this
I did
podcast.
not. No, I did
For
not.
this podcast.
Just for the
Oh.
pod. Nico, start
Wow.
reimbursing me.
So, kailan reimbursing you, gago? Magpadala ka kaya muna dito.
Mario, take a photo, man. You have to send a
Reimbursing.
snapshot sa group about this.
No, we'll save it for the end, man. I wanna make them see it. I wanna make them hear it. Yeah. Stay till
Ay,
the end.
But
yung mga
I'm
umaabot
confident.
dito, guys, please comment Graham Cake. That's our sign that
Gotta
you know
eat
you
some of
reached
that.
this point in
Hindi,
the
man, hindi
podcast.
Graham Cake,
Ano?
reimburse Graham.
Reimburse Graham. Okay,
Reimburse.
please comment reimburse Graham.
Masyado mahal na yung ginastos sa props niya.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you one more thing before we go.
Okay.
Ano na
There
naman to?
are 8 to receive props, man. 8 products to be received.
Pwede ba kita kung ano yung mga padating? O ayaw mo na
Nope.
pa.
Give us a spoiler of one.
Isa lang out of the
Give
8.
us a spoiler of one. Give us a spoiler
One out of the 8.
One will be really creepy when that happens.
Creepy.
We have to win the championship for you to see it, man.
I don't like that you called it creepy.
Creepy.
Yeah, it'll be creepy.
Wag
I
na
don't
lang
like that
kung
you
ganun.
called your
Wag na lang,
prop
wag na lang.
Yeah, so never mind. You can keep it.
All right. Yeah. Never in 6.
All right. Follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-Man Pod here. PBA Finals Preview. See you guys for Game 1. Peace.
After Wednesday. Adios amigos. NSD. Please.
Bye.